outside today on this job here, this coconut tree, quarantine style. As you see, I'm close to this wall, this house here, and there's another house to the side here. So the owner of it concerned, he say he find it leaning too much. So it's the job here to bring it down safe, and that is it. Remember again to get in contact with me, Street 5054, safe and affordable.
Yes, sir. I know. Ay, namagal.
Kaya